Let us learn about our planet. Know your planet. Which is our planet? Yes, Earth is our planet. Earth is unique planet. Unique means variety or special. We call our Earth as a unique planet. Why? Because our Earth has different types of landforms and also it has air and water. We have different types of landforms like mountains, water bodies, deserts, plains, plateaus and islands. Hence, we called as our Earth is a unique planet. And Earth has vast water bodies and vast land masses. And the vast land masses are called continents. The vast water bodies are called oceans. Next, we move to shape of the earth. In ancient days, people believed that earth is flat and it has steep edges. They thought earth is like a table. They fall down if they reach their edge. Ferdinand Magellan, a Portuguese sailor, he sailed around the world from ocean to ocean and he proved that earth is round, and pictures taken from space that also proved that earth is spherical shape or sphere. Sphere or spherical shape means round, but our earth is lies slightly flattened between at the top and at the bottom. Next, globe. The study of earth, we need its model. Globe is a simple and accurate model of the earth. Accurate means specific. Globe is a specific and simple model of the earth. Globe is very useful to study of earth and it shows distribution of land masses and water bodies of the world. And we can also see the correct shape, size and location of the earth on a globe. But we cannot use all the times globe. Why? Because a vast globes are very difficult to carry wherever we want. And a small globe, all the details of a earth we can't show on it in small globe. And when we want to study a particular part of the earth, globe is unsuitable at that time. And only half part of the earth we can see in a globe at a time. At another part is hidden. See here. At a time we can see half part of the globe. Another part is hidden. Hence, so many times globe is unsuitable to study of earth. At that time we use map. Map is a representation of the earth surface or a part of it on a flat surface. Map is derived from Latin word mappo. Mappo, which means napkin. See here children. Napkin. This is napkin. Napkin is very flat. Like that, map is also very flat. With the help of map, we can see whole world at a time. See, with the help of globe, only half of the earth we can see at a time. But with the help of map, we can see whole world at a time. This is the main difference of the globe and map. But globe is a true model of the earth. But sometimes this is unable to study of earth. At that time we use map very easily. See here children, in map they given all continents and all oceans very specifically in specific places only. Hence map is very useful to study of earth. Gerardus Mercator. He belonged to Europe. He was a Flemish map maker. He was the first time he published a collection of maps in the form of book. That book is we called as a Atlas. Atlas is a book of maps. A book of maps is called as a Atlas. In Atlas we can see varieties of maps, types of maps, and Atlas is very useful to study specifically particular places of the earth, specifically or accurately. Atlas, each and every person they have their own Atlas. Atlas is very useful to accurately study of particular places of the earth. Next we move to types of maps. Physical maps, political maps, climatical maps. There are three types of maps. See here, physical map, political maps, climatical maps. Physical maps, it shows the physical landforms of the world like mountains, deserts, plains, plateaus, water bodies and islands. Political maps. Political maps, it helps to show the continents, countries, states and their capitals. General information tells us about climatical condition and rainfall of a particular place is shown by climatical maps. See here, this is physical map of the world. In this they show the water bodies in the shades of blue and yellow color shows the deserts and brown color shows the mountains. Like that they use different color to show different landforms of the world. Next, this is political map of the world. In this they show the different continents of the world and states and their small capitals. Like that political map help us to show different countries of the world. Next, this is climatical maps of the world. In this map they show the different climatic condition and rainfall of the different places with the help of different diagrams. Like that we use maps to study of earth. Beside this, some other maps give information about industries, transport, population, minerals, soil and wildlife of a particular region. Like that we study the maps and earth.